The next divine name is Al-Wasi, which means the vast. The generosity, mercy and control of Allah, the Exalted, extends to all things, and He is never preoccupied from one thing, thereby being distracted from another. The vastness of His mercy and the blessings He has generously bestowed on the creation are truly uncountable. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 18.
And if you should count the favors of Allah, you could not enumerate them.
The Muslim who understands this divine name will strike a balance between fear and hope, as they know Allah, the Exalted, is vast in both mercy and power. His mercy inspires hope, while His power inspires fear. A Muslim should act on this divine name by adopting good character, which extends far and wide by affecting everyone they are in contact with in a positive way. They should constrict the number of negative characteristics they possess until they remove them entirely from their character. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.